Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today we're back with the 1978 Kawasaki KZ650. And I think we figured it out. So here it is. When it's on the side stand, it leaks out of the right carb. So we'll see. I'll have to adjust that. The other thing is that the idle was it was screwed in too far on both sides, so I backed it all the way out, and then I put it in the same amount of turns till we got it to where it's still not right. I still need to idle it up maybe a little bit, maybe a very little bit. We'll see how it settles in. Still have to balance these carbs. It's not so bad. The other thing is that this exhaust is blowing out all kinds of stuff. I don't think it's animal. I think it may be some packing that's been blowing out. Look, you can see there's a bunch of it all over here. We blew it out, and there's still some more coming out. But it seems to rev pretty good. It's got a good sound when you get up around. It does have a good sound when you get up around 5,000 RPMs. Let me stand it up. I don't know what it sounds like if you get it closer to that. And it hangs up a little bit. Every now and then it'll, like there, it's coming down now. It's a lot better. The more I've run it, the better off it's been. We can't ride it just yet. I was trying to, but we don't have a battery. And I'm hoping that I can charge this battery up just enough that we can ride it. So let's go ahead and shut it off. But it sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. We do have that fuel leak that we'll have to solve. Let's see, we'll solve it. It's that right carburetor, and it's mainly when it's on the side stand. But a leaky float is a whole lot better than what I was having before. That was our problem before, is we weren't getting any fuel. We'd get just enough to get it to start, but then it would fall on its face. And it would only run on choke because we weren't getting enough fuel. And because we weren't even in the idle circuit, we were screwed in way too far. So it's going to require a lot of little tinkering. But I think if we can charge up this battery, we'll take this sucker for a ride. I definitely want to do it. We're not going to go far. We're just going to run it up and down the road a little bit. Okay, we got it running. We're just going to take it for a quick ride. I'm hoping, because we had to use the jump box to start it, I'm hoping to keep it running the whole time, because if not, I get to push it, and I don't want to push it. So let's see. Sounds pretty good. The battery is charged. It is charging. So let's see. Ah. I'm just gonna have to try to keep some RPMs in it so I don't stall. So it may not be super, because I don't want to push it. Whoa! Oh my God, it sounds good. Stay out of the way, truck. Like I said, we're not going to go far. I don't have much gas in it either. like I said, I don't want this thing to stall. I'm just going to do a quick down and back. I just see what it feels like. Shifts through the gears pretty good. Although, probably feeling my lack of battery right now. I'm in third gear, it's not wanting to go. I'm gonna have to rotate around and start heading back to the house because I don't want to push. And I'm gonna have to. Not the worst thing happened to me today. Because I got no battery. The battery is completely dead. And so we get to push it. You know, I haven't taken a motorcycle for a walk in a long time. So let me spin this sucker around, and it's only about a half mile. So we'll walk it back, and we'll go from there. Let's stay off the road so we don't get hit. At least it rolls really good. I'm actually going to get back on the road because sidewalk's not so much fun. What'd you do today? I took a 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 out for a ride. Oh, I mean a walk. At least it's a pretty day. And by pretty day, it's probably 75 degrees. Bad thing is that this foot peg is right at the shin. Oh. I knew I was flirting with disaster. It was running so good that I just thought it would, you know, be okay. For a quick down and back, forgot to think that I was gonna have to, let me take this helmet off. Oh, let me complete the sentence. That I was gonna have to get my RPMs down to turn around. Keep track of these gloves. I've already had to walk back to get them once before. My old friend Yoda used to say, Howard, I called him Yoda. He used to say, you never ride them further than you want to push them. So, I didn't want to push it this far. But I really was just going to go to the corner and turn around and come back. Like I said, it rolls really good. We don't have that, I mean, maybe a little more than a half mile. Total. At least I'm not going too far, just the stop sign up ahead, a little past the stop sign. Sounds good. So, that's a good thing. I mean, right now, it sounds like an e-bike. But when it was running, it sounded pretty good. At least we got this little parking lot we can roll off of. Thankfully, this road is not that busy. Huh. Give us a little bit of time to rethink our life choices. I'm gonna go ahead and run this stop sign. Yep. It's me, I don't care. All right, I'll get you when I get back. Guys, we tried to ride it. We tried to ride it without a battery, well, with a dead battery. It just didn't work. You win some, you lose some. I'm not gonna say we lost this one. We lost it. But we're further ahead today than what we were the last episode. It now runs. It'll run even better when it has a battery and you don't have to rely on using a jump box. So, not too bad. I'm not upset about it. Yeah, maybe I'm a little upset about having to push the motorcycle, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta take your motorcycle out for a walk. And that's what it was today. We got to take this 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 out for a walk. Well, we started off as a ride and then we got to walk it home. But boy, did it sound good for the 10 seconds it was running. Whoa! Oh my God, it sounds good. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Before I even say that, if you enjoy watching a grown man suffer, hit the subscribe button. Jeez and Pete's, I'm a glutton for punishment. And share it with your buddies. Share it with people you don't like. I don't care. Steal your grandma's computer and log into her YouTube and subscribe to her for me. That would be awesome. But guys, as always, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. I'm just going to sit here for a minute. These gloves are going to come in handy. And I'm going to think about my life choices.